Okay, so on this last slide, we are going to review what is point of view. When you read, think about who is telling the story. Stories are told by a narrator who could be a character inside the story or not. Paying attention to who is telling the story can help you learn more about the characters. This is the point of view. Knowing the narrator's point of view can help you understand what the narrator thinks and feels. So in this column here, we have point of view. So we either have blank person narration or blank person narration. So I will tell you it's either going to be first or third. So you will drag the first or the third box to either one of these blank spaces. This column we have narrator. The blank is a character inside the story. The narrator is blank the story. So your options are, I was nervous for my first day of school because I didn't know anyone yet. Narrator, first, third, he, she, they, and outside. In this column, we have keywords, I, my, we, and then a blank spot. And here is where you're going to add the example. So this narration does not have an example, but this one does, and it reads, Sammy was nervous for his first day of school because he didn't know anyone yet. So you're going to drag these yellow boxes to their correct spot to fill in the blanks.